Linux commands you need to know as a developer, part 4. In this video, we're going to be talking about Sed. The Stream Editor tool, or Sed for short, is powerful when it comes to editing text. Sed provides the functionality to delete, filter, and search and replace text, and much more. Say I have a log file called logs.txt, and in this log file, we have info logs, warning logs, debug logs, and error logs. We can run the command sed /warn/d quotation marks, which is essentially saying that we want to match every line that contains that pattern warn, and for each line that matches that pattern, we want to delete it. And then we'll pass our logs file as input and output the result to a new file called logs_new.txt. Now, if we inspect our new file, you'll notice that we don't have any more warning logs. Now, let's say I want to filter out all of the error logs and look at the error logs in their own separate file. We can run the command sed -n /error/p quotation marks, which is essentially telling sed to match every line that contains the capitalized word error and print out that line. And by default, sed will print out every line when you use this p flag unless you specify this n flag, which tells sed to only print out the lines that match your pattern. And then we can pass our logs file as input and output to a new file called logs_error.txt. Now, if we inspect our new file, logs_error.txt, you'll notice that we only have our error logs. Now, let's say in our log file, we want to take every warning log and convert it to an error log. We're going to have to perform a search and replace. We can run the command sed -i s/warn/error/g quotation marks, which is essentially telling sed that we want to search and replace all the lines that contain the capitalized word warn and replace that word warn with the word error for every single line that matches this pattern. And the -i flag will save these changes in the file itself that we pass as input. So let's pass our logs.txt file as input. Let's inspect our log file now. And as you notice, all of our warning logs have now become error logs. Sed is a super powerful tool when working with text, and this video only scratched the surface of its capabilities. But if you learned something new, make sure to like and sub.